A consistent and steady supply of electrical energy is a cornerstone of contemporary life. Interruptions in the distribution of this supply can lead to failures that put societies, lives, and businesses at risk. The NL camera provides the market-leading method for comprehensively detecting and analyzing problems in power grid components and identifies the weak links that can cause failures. Let's see how the NL camera works. When an electrical component begins to fail, one of the first indicators is partial discharging. It's like a small spark on or within an electrical component. There are several different types of partial discharges. Some are harmless, while others indicate problems that may eventually lead to catastrophic failure. Early recognition is critical, as corrective measures can then be planned accordingly. With its 124 microphones, the ultrasonic NL camera can detect signals that partial discharges emit from up to 100 meters away and displays the phase-resolved partial discharge pattern, or PRPD, which depicts the behavior of a partial discharge. The included NL Cloud allows for automatic reporting and advanced analysis of fault types, providing information on the severity of a fault. The NL camera's intuitive user interface and its lightweight body makes it easy to use. Thanks to its automatic settings, operating the device requires minimal training, enabling its swift and cost-efficient deployment into your organization. To find out more, please visit nlacoustics.com and contact us or one of our resellers.